What's up guys, Derek Johnson from the Freedom Factory, and today I'm just going to show you how you can integrate email, in this case Gmail, into your Chirply account. So you want to navigate to settings up here and be sure to come to this email tab. You should connect Twilio on this tab, Zapier here. Any custom fields you want to create, you can do that as well. So we'll go through this step by step. I just created a brand new Gmail account, so you can do that as well. This one's tryjohnsonmarketing@gmail.com, and now I'm going to configure it here. I haven't done this for a while, so we'll see how this goes. So I'm going to uncheck that. Now my previous one is no longer connected, and I'll just enter my new email address here. And that's where I'm going to test that. So we'll open this in a new tab and select that new email. I'm going to go to Advanced and go to Chirply and hit Allow here. And I'm going to allow that as well. So we'll click Allow on all of those. So the API was configured successfully. And I'm just going to select that. And it looks like it's good to go. So we'll test this here. And it's successfully configured. So it's really easy to do. You can set up a new Gmail to use just with Chirply, or if you have an existing one you want to use, you can use that as well. But we're good to go. Now if I want to go to my list here and fire out a couple emails, I should be able to do that. So I'll just select a few here. Here's all my options. I'm going to send an email in this case. And we'll do just a simple one. And I'll click Send Mail. Email dispatched successfully. So I'm going to let that load here. Then I'll navigate to my Gmail account. And you can see all of those have sent successfully. So hopefully that's helpful, guys. Let me know if you have any questions. As always, feel free to drop a comment below. If you want to make sure you get updates and future videos like this one, be sure to subscribe and smash that bell, and you'll be notified whenever I release a future video.